Hello everyone. Now I discuss ionophores. Firstly, represent ionophore and how to work ionophore by using diagram. This is one pore and here another pore is there. Hmm. Here water layer is there and here also water layer is there in the surrounding part. This is the surrounding part of the ionophore. And here membrane is there. Here one semi-permeable membrane is there, and across semi-permeable membrane water layer is there. That is only what is mean by semi-permeable membrane. So semi-permeable membrane is that membrane particular group or atom or particular substance is only transfer from water layer to membrane layer. Okay, and this is the semi-permeable membrane, and across the semi-permeable membrane water layer is there. Now here ionophore, uh, one ionophore is there, that is metal ion. That is ionophore. Here also one metal ion is there, and by using semi-permeable membrane only particular metal ion can enter in the membrane layer. This is one transfer from one another. In water layer some metal ion is there, and in this water layer some metal ion is there. Here also one ionophore is there, and here but also another metal ion is there. Here also another metal ion is there in water layer, and this particular metal ion can be transferred water layer to membrane layer. That is some particular metal ion, and also some particular metal ion can transfer membrane layer to another water layer. For example, here an ion channel is there, some anal ion channel is there. For example, gramicidine A. For example, gramicidine A, and here also one ionophore, that is ion channel is there. Layer is this type of layer, and here also ionophore. Ionophore is there. This is the schematic representation of action of ionophore on membrane. That is particular metal ion. Okay, this is the action of ionophore. Ionophores on membrane. Membrane is the semi-permeable membrane, and some metal ion also there in water layer as well as in membrane layer. This is the action of ionophore. Now, some naturally occurring molecules have the ability of some naturally occurring molecule have the ability to encapsulate a metal ion from various coordination sites and at the same time provide a layer of organic group outside the complex. For example, valinomycin and non-acid. These are known as ionophore. For example, gramicidin A. This is the gramicidin A. This compound resembling the for example, also crown ether is there in the by using ionophores. Ionophore, that is ion carriers. Ion means metal ion is there some. They are ionophore is the simply called as carrier. Carrier of metal ion from one layer to another layer. Here water layer to membrane layer. A metal ion can be travel. Then capable of binding carrying spacing cation through the biological membrane. They differ from the uncoupler that they promote the transport of cation other than proton through the membrane. Other than proton means only metal ion can be transferred from one layer to another layer. Okay, thank you.